but
you're alone again, sitting by your side. Room full of silence, nowhere left to hide. Sorrow in your chest, doubts inside your head. Thoughts move ear to ear, whisper what they said. They come and they go like smoke in the night, but every single one feels painfully right. Anger on your tongue, greed behind your eyes. Grief pulls you downward, feed you quiet lies. You think you are the storm, you think you are the pain, but you're just watching weather through a shattered brain. These chains are illusion, Maya in disguise. Nothing here can hold you, nothing owns your mind. Break them slowly, feel the signal fade. You are not the story, you are not the case.
Emotions play the strings like puppets in your chest. You call it who I am, but it's only stress. You wear your wounds like armor, your past like it's a crown. Dragging every moment, heavy pulling down. You fight with your reflection like it's someone else, but the war's in the mirror, you versus self.
Fear talks loud at night, ego wants control, but noise is not the truth, it's static in the soul. These chains are illusion, Maya in disguise. Nothing here can hold you, nothing owns your mind. Break them slowly, let the false collapse. You are not your feelings, you are what observes that.
Watch the thought, don't chase it, let it rise, let it fall. Who is angry, who is greedy, who is hurt at all? Silence answers when you stop trying to be whole. Control your mind or it controls you. Become the space, not the wound. One breath, one pulse, one sound, one truth. The chain was never real, the prison never closed. You were holding shadows, afraid to let them go. One consciousness, no enemy inside, just a quiet flame, watching life pass by.